Alright, Kilgreed here, and I'm out here in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm outside of this abandoned slash supposedly haunted train tunnel. I live in Knoxville, about 5 miles north of the city, and I've seen many YouTube videos about this, so I'm going to try to walk through here. I can already tell that it's going to be extremely muddy, like very muddy. So here we go. Look, all this is mud. Look at all the vines. It's not that long. Whoa, it's like quicksand in here. Dude, it literally is like quicksand in here. The mud is very ubiquitous. Try to stay on these. Damn. Look at this. That's all mud right there. Does the flash make any difference? Not really. It's not that long of a tunnel. The other side of it. Yeah, I can already see the other side. Light my cigarette again. Keep my eye on the ground because of the mud. It's actually not as thick as I thought. Metal poles. Now we got some water accumulation over here though. Look at that. Wow, that's crazy. It's like a major inch deep accumulation right there. Here's the end of it. I'm gonna have to wipe off my boots really bad. Turn the flash off. Here we are on the other side. Now, I am going to have to walk back through because the way I entered here is, well, on the other side of the road. I didn't have to go down through any, well, I don't know. Look at this. It's out this way. Oh. This leads somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Abandoned tunnel. I didn't experience anything paranormal, but I've seen other videos where people have experienced some weird shit. So yeah. So Kilgreed walking through the abandoned train tunnel, Knoxville, Tennessee. Right behind the JFG coffee sign. Peace out.